Picture planning a party with a guest list written on a single sheet of paper. You add names one by one, and for a while there is plenty of room. Then the page fills up completely, and another friend wants to come. So you grab a bigger sheet, copy every name over, and now you have room to spare for many more. You keep adding names on the roomy new page until that one fills too, and then you copy onto an even bigger sheet. That clever trick of copying onto a bigger page only when needed is exactly how a dynamic array works. The rule is simple: grow only when full, and grow with room to spare. A dynamic array reserves a fixed amount of room, called its capacity, even if some slots are empty. Each new item fills the next empty slot until the array is completely full. When it is full and you add one more, it makes a bigger block of room behind the scenes. It copies every existing item into the new bigger block, then adds the new item. Because it grows with extra room, most additions are instant and only the rare full moments cost a copy. Spread over many adds, the average cost stays tiny. We start with an empty guest list ready to fill. We add names one at a time as friends say yes. Python grows the room automatically behind the scenes. We can check how many names are on the list now. Even a long burst of ads stays fast on average. The list quietly copied to a bigger block when needed. The final count shows every guest we added. A dynamic array grows only when it runs out of room, copying everything onto a bigger sheet with space to spare. That makes adding feel instant almost every time, with only the occasional copy. You already trust this. Every time a Python list just keeps accepting append after append without you ever setting a size. That was day 7 of 100. Subscribe to follow the whole series.